Hey guys, how we doing today? We are here at Valencia Trails in Naples, Florida. This is a GL Homes community. This is a 55 plus incredible community. There's going to be a total of around 800 homes. There are already about 500 homes built, so there's still about 300 homes to go. There's a lot of opportunity here for both new builds and resales. There's also another GL Homes community just slightly north of us in Bonita Springs called Valencia Bonita. That one is fully sold out, but I'm going to be touring the amenity center there so you can see like how nice the amenities are, which over here are going to be pretty similar. The amenities here are going to be completed first quarter of 2023. There's all kinds of different models, all kinds of different price points. Like I said, 4 different collections. So there's really something for everybody in here. Great quality, high value community, great amenities. All right guys, we're here at the clubhouse of Valencia Bonita. It's a pretty rainy day today. It's pretty ugly, rare ugly day. We're here in Southwest Florida. But anyways, I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna show you guys the amenities really quickly so you can see how GL Homes does it, all right? Some very important points I wanna cover here is the HOA projected fee once the clubhouse is completed is $474 per month. That's gonna cover your landscaping, monitored home security system, guarded gate, and obviously the access and maintenance of the 43,000 square foot clubhouse. There is a restaurant minimum of $500 per year that's required for food and beverage consumption at both the clubhouse restaurant and the outdoor bar and grill. This is also a natural gas community, so your kitchen range, water heater, dryer, outdoor kitchen, generator, all natural gas. There is no CDD fee, no community development district fee here. The community infrastructure is paid off, so that's not passed on to you on your tax bill. This is also not in a flood zone, so very important. Flood insurance is not required here at Valencia Trails. So without further ado, I'm touring the different models for you guys. I hope you enjoy it. As always, please make sure to like, subscribe.